I have an Ancel FD700 handheld that can also do regens and special functions on diesels as well. It's about $140, $150 handheld. It's one of their specifically tailored handheld Ford designs. Nothing too fancy, but it's a nice, pretty nice scanner. You can see it on the channel, so you go look at the review. The reason I'm not showing you right now is because I want you to go look at the review. Every single person that watches this video that can tell me what the spark plug tube seal part number is and post it in the comment section will get entered to win the FD700, and I'll give it away tomorrow. But I want to know that you're watching the video, so give me the spark plug tube seal part number in this video and you will indeed get entered and then randomly drawn tomorrow for the FD700 scan tool. Here's your part numbers for your cam phaser replacement on 2018 to 2020 F150 3.5 liter EcoBoost.